Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Okay, good morning. Now first till 5th. Question number 1st. Already we have completed and even I have sent you the classwork to complete. Now we'll go for 6th one. Check. Read the question properly once or twice. Read the question once or twice. Page number 106. Question number 6. Question number 6. Check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP. Already they have given AP and we need to check whether it's a term of AP or not. Whether it's a term of AP or not. Okay, you need to check. So if you need to check, what do you need to find out? What do you need to find out? Can you tell me? Any one of you? It's a term in AP or not? They have given the series that is 11, 8, 5, 2. It's decreasing. Next it comes to the negative integers. Whether 1 minus 150 comes under this series or not. How to check? How to check? If it is so, we can say, yes, it is the 50th term or it is the 27th term, we can say. So, we can check, we'll find out the n. We'll find out the n in that. Okay, using the same formula, find out n. You'll get the value of n. Then we can decide whether this minus 150 is a term from this AP or not. Okay, shall we start? Those who got my point can start solving. You need to find n there, n. An equals a plus n minus 1 into d. So all the values you have in that except n. Why, Drishya? Got? Okay, now start to solve that. So now take 11, 8, 5, 2. Okay, so here we'll find what is A. A is 11. What is D? 8 minus 11 it is. D equals?
Minus 3.
Very good, minus 3. Then what else? AN, which is the last term. Which term? Minus 150.
Minus 150.
Minus 150. Now substitute AN equals, what's the formula? Repeat it. AN equals
n
minus 1
A
into
plus
D.
n minus 1 into
1
D.
D.
1 into D. Now substitute AN minus 150.
150.
Then A is
11.
11. And we need to find
N minus 1
n minus
1 into
minus 3.
3. So now minus 150 minus 11
11.
equals n minus 1
n
into
minus 1 into
minus 3. Then
minus 161
161
minus 161
equals
equals n
Shall I
minus
bring
1.
this minus 3 to denominator?
Yes,
Equals n minus 1.
Yes, ma'am.
These gets cancelled. Now 161 upon 3. 161 upon 3 equals n minus 1.
minus 1
1 n minus 1. Now divide it. 3. 3.
5s are
5s are
15.
5
15. Again 3. 3s are
3s are 9.
9. What's the remainder here? 2.
2.
Decimal 0, 3, 6,
6
18,
18.
2. Again it will continue like 53.66 equals n minus 1. Now n equals, what will be the value of n? 53.66
53
plus 1, that is 54.66 n. Now, what's your conclusion? Tell me. Which term?
No, it is not an AP.
Oh, it's not a minus
Term of
150
this
is not a term of AP? No? Why? What's the reason? What is the reason?
Because it's not a whole number.
It's not a whole number. It's not a whole number. Term andre, it should be like 55, 56th term, 57th term, 50th term. We have never come across that 54.66th term. It's not a whole number. Okay, we can write no, minus 150 is not a minus 150 is not a term of this series. Any doubt, children? Minus 150 is not a term of this series. Got? You got this? Everyone? It's not audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it audible? Harsha, sit straight. Harsha, sit straight.
Mamta ma'am's voice.
Huh?
I'm hearing Mamta ma'am voice.
Mamta
Mamta
ma'am.
ma'am voice.
ಹೌದಾ ನಂದು ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ ಹಾ ಓಕೆ am I audible or not? Along with my voice, her voice comes the only Mamta ma'am voice.
Mamta ma'am voice.
Huh? You're not able to hear my voice?
No ma'am. Now we
No?
hearing.
Now it okay.
No ma'am.
Now is it okay?
No ma'am.
Hmm? Audible or not?
So much of disturbance.
Why?
Ma'am, so much of disturbance.
I think it's your network problem. Okay, now sixth one
No
done.
ma'am, we can hear Mamta ma'am is.
Wait, I'll tell her. Mamta ma'am, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಲೋ ಅಂತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾರಿ Okay, now
Okay ma'am.
okay. Next shall we move to next one? I'll send the classwork to you people. So next question is, read out the next question. Find the 31st term of an AP. Concentrate. First clear your mind network. If it is clear, everything will be clear. Okay, so now find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. Now read the question once or twice, what they have given and what they are asking you to find out. So first is find the 31st term. What we need to find?
31st term.
Okay, we can find any term if we know the value of A and D. We can find any term once we get the value of A and D. Turn on your videos. Okay, so now find the 31st term. What they have given? A11.
First 38.
Yeah, now what they have given? A11 is what? 38. A11 is 38. Then
A16, 73.
A16 is 17.
70.
A16 is 73. Now,
A13.
yeah. Now our intention is to find first. What do you need to find first? What can we, yeah, what do you get?
D.
Recall the good, Ashrita. Good. What we can find out first? D. We can easily find out D. How to get D? D equals D equals, tell me the formula.
A
AP minus AQ
AP minus AQ, good.
P minus Q.
P
divided by
minus
P minus
P
Q.
minus Q. We need to find A31. Okay, so now D we will get. AP is what? Tell me first.
38.
38 minus
73.
73.
3.
Then
11 minus 16.
11 minus 16. Good. 73 minus 38. First,
Minus 53.
is it minus 53?
Minus 55.
Minus
Minus 55.
55. Sure. Hmm? 35 or 55?
Minus 35.
35.
Minus 35.
Here minus
5.
minus
5.
5.
5. What do you get?
5.
Minus 7.
What's the
7.
value of D?
7.
D 7.
D is 7.
7.
What's
7.
D is
7.
7. So next we have what we
7.
can find out. What we can find out? A. Can we find out A?
Yeah.
Now we find A. Now we find A. Okay, using A11. Using either you can use A11 or A16. So how to write A11?
Okay, ma'am.
A11 equals A plus
10.
10D.
10.
Good.
T.
10D. So what is the value of A11? 38 equals
38.
A plus 10 into 7. 38 equals A plus 70.
7.
Fast.
A equals 38 minus 70.
Yeah. A equals 38 minus 70. Fast.
A equals minus 32.
A equals minus
32.
32. Is it 32 or 33?
32.
A equals minus 32. Once we get A and D, we can find any value. Okay. So now we'll find, what will find? Now find
A of
which one will-
31st.
A 31.
31.
Okay. So now how to find A31? A31 equals A plus
10 minus 1.
A plus, how to do that?
30D.
30D. 30D. A31 is equal to A is minus 32 plus
Plus
30 into
3 into 7.
7
7.
minus 32 plus what? 210? 210. Okay, 210. Now it is
210 minus 32.
bigger.
32 over 9. 178.
Plus
178.
178.
78.
Is it clear? Is it clear? I'll scroll the paper.
Yes, ma'am.
You just go through that.
Ma'am.
I'll send you people. Okay, classwork. I'll send the classwork by evening. Understood? Go through this once again. Okay, when they give any two terms, the value of any two terms, easily we can find out D. Easily we can find out D. Once we get the value of D and A, we can find out any term. Understood, children? Understood? You want me to repeat it again? Do you want me to repeat it again? Or will you calculate at home again? Okay? No response?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, good. Okay, shall we move to next one? Read next question properly. Read next question. An AP consists of
50
50 terms. So what is that? 50. Which value
Number
it
of
is?
terms.
Yeah, very good. Number of terms it is. Which term? N equals 50. We got the value of n over there. An AP consists of 50 terms, that is n equals 50, of which third term is 12. And the last term is 106.
50th term.
Okay? Yeah, tell me. 50th term is
50th.
106. Find the 29th term. Same. What we have solved just now. Same steps. Okay. So now they have given. First we'll find out the D. First we'll find out D. Then using the A3, we'll get A. Understood? Okay, fast. Fast. 8-1. 8-1. I want you people to solve. N equals 50. A50 equals 106. A3 equals 12. And the last term is 106. That is, find the 29th term. A29 equals, please mute. Mute. I think Sneha. Good. So now first we'll find out D. Calculate, children. You need to tell me the answer for that. D equals
Minus 94.
AP minus AQ upon P minus Q. Okay. So now, what is AP?
106.
12.
AP is 12 minus 106. 3 minus 50.
50.
Yeah. Next.
94 minus
Minus
94 divided by
Minus
minus
94 divided by minus
minus 47.
47.
7. Is it 2, children? 47, 94, it is 2. D equals 2. Is it 2? Okay. Okay. Now, will you find out A? A. How to find A? You can take any number like A3 or A50, anyone. By using that, you can find A. Now
A plus
take,
2D.
now find, now find A. Using which one? Which one you are using?
A3.
83.
A3. Yeah. Yeah, now A3 equals A plus
2D.
good. A plus 2D. Yeah, A3, what is the value of A3? 12. What is
12
A? We'll find
plus
2 into 2.
2.
Now 12 equals A plus 4. A equal, what's the value of A?
4 equals
2.
A equals A. Okay. Once we get A and D, we can easily find out whichever the number we want, we can find out. How to find A29 now?
A29 is equal to A plus
A plus
28D.
Now we find
8 into 2.
A29. Yeah, A29 equals
8
A
plus
plus
A plus 28.
28D.
28D. 28D. A29 equals A is 8 plus
8.
28 into
29. 2.
2. Yeah. 8 plus it is 56. 56. Now it is
A29 is equal to 64.
64.
A29 equals 64.
64.
Okay. Now we got understood.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is it clear?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
children.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'll give 2 minutes time. Try the 9th one. Those who want to recall this, you can recall. Say I have scrolled this. You can recall. Those who have understood, you can go for the next one and try fast. I want you to try the 9th one. The 3rd and the 9th term of an AP are 4 and -8 respectively. Which term of this is A? Which term of this AP is 0? Already they have given AN. We need to find what? We need to find N. N. Once you get D and A, use that formula AN and find N over there. In that, okay? See, I have scrolled. Easily you can. Pooja, why you are not calculating? Do it fast. Let me see what you people are doing. Deepika, why you are not solving the problem? Deepika,
D equals -2.
what's the value of D, Drishya?
-2.
-2, good. Ashrita, why you didn't get? Sinchana, Sanjana,
Good,
Archit,
ma'am.
I want to see your faces. Turn on the video. Turn on the videos. Marcus, Chaitra, Prashant,
A is equal to 8.
A equals?
8.
A equals 8. What's the value of D?
It's -2.
-2. D is -2, good. A equals 8. Next, use that formula AN. AN equals A plus N minus 1 into D and solve and get the value of N. AN is 0. AN is 0.
Ma'am, 5.
Is the
Fifth
value of
term.
fifth term, good. Sharad, Chaitra,
N is 5.
Prashant, fifth term. Manya have solved here. She has sent the message. Good. Fifth term. Sneha, Alvin getting? Alex, Puneet, turn on the videos. Finished? Sinchana got answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Pooja?
Yes, ma'am.
Mandara? Got answer? What about boys? Solving? Prashant? Solve fast.
And I can't hear.
Who is that?
And I can't hear.
Yeah, I have seen many videos where when the teacher asks question, he'll say, you can't hear. When we allow you to discuss about something else, then the network will be very clear and you will chat nicely, I know. If you want, I'll send those videos to you people. Now you can't cheat the teachers. Fast. Done, children? Okay. Next. Read next question. Yeah, this one let me solve. For those who have not solved. If the third term and the ninth term of an AP are 4 and -8. Others, you can just listen to me. I'll give the hint for the next question. You can solve. By that time, I'll solve the ninth one. Okay. So now, the 17th, listen to me carefully. It's regarding 10th. Question number 10. Drishya, concentrate. So now, listen. Question number 10. For ninth, I'll solve. Alvin, don't worry. I'll come and solve. I'll solve. Okay, 10th one. The 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. Find the common difference. So now, first what you need to do is 17th term. How will you write 17th term? That is A plus 16D. 17th term, how will you write? A plus 16D. And the 10th term, how will you write? A plus
A plus
9D.
9D.
Good. A plus 9D. When you subtract the 17th term and 10th term, the difference will be 7. So what you will write? First, A17 minus A10 equals 7. Understood? First, what you will write? A17 minus A10 equals 7. Okay, what's the value of A17? That is A plus 16D minus of A plus 9D equals 7. Then simplify, you'll get the value of D there. Understood? Okay?
Ma'am, D is equals to 1.
Good. Okay. Okay, you people can solve. By that time, I'll solve the ninth one. Others, those who have not solved ninth one, please follow this. So they have given ninth one. Those who have solved ninth one can go for 10. Ninth one is if the third and the ninth term of an AP are 4 and -8. That is, third means A3 equals 4 and A9 equals -8. A9 equals -8. Okay, what we will find first? Which term, that is AN equals 0, and we need to find N. Okay, so now first we'll find out D. D equals AP minus AQ by P minus Q. AP is 4 minus of -8, that is 3 minus 9.
9.
Yeah, now it is 4
4
8
plus 8
minus 6, it is 12.
minus 0. 6.
Huh? What's the value of D? -2.
Minus D. 2D.
-2. -2. Okay. So now we'll find A. Now we find A. Now we find A. How to find A? Using A3. Now A3 equals A plus 2D. Fast, children. A3 is, yeah, what's the A3? Value of A3 is 4. A plus 2 into, now 4 equals A minus 4. A equals, what's the value of A? 8. Is it 8? A equals 8. Yeah. Now, next is we find N. Now we find n. An equals a plus n minus 1 into d. An is, what is An? 0. A is
0.
8 plus
8 plus 10
n
minus 1
minus 1 into d is
minus
minus
2.
minus 2. Next 8
0.
minus 8
8.
divided by minus 2 equals n minus 1. It is 4 equals n minus 1. N equals 5.
5.
Everybody got this?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
You're not nodding your heads?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Got
good.
it.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Okay, good. So what about 10th one?
Common difference is 1.
Common difference is 1.
1.
Okay. So last one, let me solve this. The 10th one. 10th one.
Yeah.
10. What they have given? A17 minus
A10.
A7 equals, is it A10? Yeah. A10 equals 7. A17 minus A10 equals 7. A17, how will you write? A plus 16D. Check. Minus A plus 9D
6.
equals 7. Now simplify this. A plus 16D minus A minus 9D equals 7.
9D.
A and A gets cancelled. So now it is
16 minus 9.
7D
16
equals,
minus 90.
yeah, it is 7D. D equals 7 upon 7. It is 1. So D equals 1. The common difference is 1. You can write. Okay. So therefore, the common difference is 1.
1.
The common difference
1.
is 1. Okay. Understood? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Practice those
Yes, ma'am.
problems. Practice those problems. Today itself you have to practice. Okay. So send me a few sheets in which you have practiced. Everyone to my personal number. Don't send it to the group. Okay. Practiced sheets. I want to see everyone's. I have list of your names. I'll pick those who have sent. Okay. Okay, children. Okay, any doubt? Okay, bye. Take care. Okay, bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you,
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Name face confidence.
Hello. Hi.
Bye, ma'am.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
How are you,
How are you, ma'am?
How are you, ma'am?
Yeah,
How
good,
are you,
good,
ma'am?
good. How are you all?
Good,
Fine,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Oh, all are looking so good.
Plumpy,
Plumpy,
plumpy.
plumpy,
Thank you, ma'am.
very fresh.
Fine, ma'am.
Okay, everybody reading,
Yes,
studying.
Yes, ma'am.
At least
Yes, ma'am.
my four lessons. What about those? What about my 4 lessons?
Learned, ma'am.
Reading,
Ma'am.
Huh?
Online you take.
What?
Online you take.
Reading, ma'am.
No, I won't take. I am very angry with you, actually.
Why,
Bye,
miss?
ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Why,
See
ma'am?
how much you made me to cry in 9th standard.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Huh? Hey, what happened? Something happened there?
ಯಾರಿಗೆ
Yes.
ಸ್ನೇಹ
ಏನಾಯ್ತು?
ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಇದಾಗಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Hey, what happened, Sneha? Huh? My goodness. Huh? Really? My God. So I will go from here then. Okay. Okay. Study well. What all subjects you are getting now, at least study those. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
everybody, every day you are learning.